You see this thing Evangelist Ebuka Obi is doing currently now over there in the east. Our people now some of these our leaders, especially these sitting governors, excluded Governor Soludo, or whatever reasonings they had. This is what all of them would have come together to support that foundation, and they appreciate and acknowledge Evangelist Ebuka Obi for that good work he's doing over there in Anambra State, in Enugu State, in Ebonyi State, in Abia State, in Imo State. I don't want to count other states for now. Let me stick with these 5 major Igbo states. What the government is not even doing, going around picking out mad people on the street, mental ill people, picking them, taking them to a shelter, transmogrifying them from eating leftover food on the street, eating trash, to enjoying fried rice with chicken ham. I think it was last night or 2 days ago. I was watching one of the video. If you see the type of fried rice this mad guy is eating with chicken, I was like, these people they enjoy you. These people they enjoy you. Like, are you sure madness is not the real way to go right now? You know. You know. That's the guy in our bar. Now, but do you know who I am? I'm not going anywhere with you guys. I'm not going anywhere with you guys. I'm not going. After Kasasaya, who changed new fried rice and chicken. Oh, now once we are like, sometimes I feel for a lot of them actually, because society over there back home are not being fair for them. If it happens to be like a country like where I am, those people are the special type of people the government take care of. Those people. Because the fact that they are going through madness, whatever in their life, doesn't cancel them as human beings. So what Evangelist Ebuka Obi is doing is what, for me, I think all these sitting governors should come together and invest on, like, try to make sure that that particular seraphic hospital is not lacking anything and can never lack anything, and donate more bucks, more workers to make their services very smooth. But our people's things are very different. If we don't know Enugu the other time, no gas, I don't want to say some certain things. So I appreciate Evangelist Ebuka and Seraphic Foundation. You know, say sometimes when we come out to say some of these things, people will say it's because you are going to the ministry. It's because they are paying you. It's because they are. It's because of this. It's because of that. That is why you are speaking about them, or good of him. But if you are someone that have sense, someone with conscience, there are some certain things you would always try to speak, because you are human. Because on the street. Because that sentiment has to go some of you your brain. That's why I always come out to say, oh, if we ain't kidding, the ministry is paying for her bill. The ministry is paying for her bill. As if you idiot know how much expenses I'm doing every month here. This is in there here every month. Some of you bastard, 34 years in me and I buy. All around the expenses in there every month, $4,000 every month, not every year. Also, you guys should watch this video and make sure you share after watching, and God keep blessing you. That's why I'm telling people, you feel that somebody that is doing all this charity work, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Now, things that happen to them anyhow. No, things that happen to them anyhow, if you don't know. Things don't used to happen to them anyhow. Because sometimes, in most of the cases, their good deeds are always the things that is speaking for them. Even though before they will get there, or before they will be aware of whatever. Think God and nature is stupid. They are not. So watch this video and make sure you share after watching. Now the fun.
Calm down. Where is slippers?
It's okay, stop crying. Yes, let me tell you. I want to take you where I'm going to be.
The Macharapancha boss.
Big money, please. I will give you money. Thank you, I'm okay. Don't worry, I will help you. I will help you. I do what I do. Okay,
Look at the boss.
See
the hospital here. See the hospital here. See this building. All this is studying here.
They're not seeing the zooming. I'm okay. I don't know where you are sitting. It's not good. Follow me, let's go. Let's go. I'll give you food. Bet you. This means
How you teach how to get a motor?
Yeah.
2 psychotic rescued for today. How many female?
4.
4 female and how many male?
1.
And 1 male, making it total of 5, right?
Yes.
Yeah. We thank God of Evangelist Ebuka Obi, and we thank God for Zion Ministry.
We continue to pray for you and we'll never disappoint you. God bless Zion Ministry. God bless the King's Foundation. I will be able to their name. Thank you very much.